Itong wallet sa bag ko.
We're on our way.
Where are you going?
Boracay.
Chanel.
Kaya kita?
Kita. Kita, say hi.
Ay naku ate, hindi na nga ako magkalaga dito. Nagteting kayo nga masara nito. Tignan. Ay, so.
Fit check. Fit check. Top is from Shein. Bye guys. Bye Cookie.
Ayos mo na.
Cookie. Cute mo na. Look cute!
Vlogger you. Dali. Hi. Uy.
What's up mga kaigan?
Kaigan!
Uy, ha?
Kainan niya.
Ano?
Yun, no. Ano pinupunsta?
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up.
Oh, saan ka pupunta?
Bura. Wait, tayo mo yung ano mo, nakalabas ko.
Turn this room, turn it to an ocean. Let me float around. Eyes closed, like we're dreaming even when we're not. You and me got a whole other meaning, I don't know how. You and me just know how it feels when we're falling in love. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now.
Silipin na kami eh.
Iwan daw ako.
Opo, oh. Uy!
I saw him, but it doesn't compare. And I sure dreamed that it was you, not in limbo. That was good.
Your tray table and open your window shade. Please switch all electronic devices to flight mode. Smoking and vaping are strictly prohibited.
Delayed na yung flight. Iing-iing na ako. Hindi totoo na walang traffic sa Impapaway. 30 minutes na kami dito sa kalsada. Sa kalsada. Dito. Minutes na. Sobrang delayed na. Maandar-andar siya pa konti-konti. Ang 5 pa daw kami sa pila. Hihina ako. Sabi ng piloto, dito na lang daw kami mag-saving. Mag-inflatable na lang daw kami pool. Sabi ng piloto, Boracay pa more. Traffic. Ay nako. Binubukan niya na yung backpack niya. Siguro naman, no? Baka naman. Tara na.
Bilang kaligtasan, siguraduhin lang po na nakakabit ang inyong mga seatbelts. Maraming thank you, visited for takeoff.
You've been talking everything out, yeah. You've been calling for the night out. I go competition, only competition.
Nasa Boracay na.
We gotta take it now. You can meet me on the way out. We're making plans for the future. Better let her know that she won't suit ya. 'Cause I've been thinking about you. I've been thinking about you.
I'm going to hotel. I'm going to port. I'm going to port. Going to Cape.
11:59 at night, in 60 seconds today will be gone. Just another mark on a calendar.
Pagod na ngalala yung Disney Princess. Malagkit na. Malagkit.
Sasakay na lang. Going to hotel. Daddy.
Cherry blossom po. Hello.
Naubot na siya. Going to station 3.
Lunch na muna.
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Something fake to me now. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Something fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Turn this room, turn it to an
4 minutes walk
ocean.
pa.
Let me float around.
Hotel namin.
Eyes closed, like we're dreaming even when we're not. You and
Pogi, oh.
me got a
Hello, pala si Pogi, oh.
meaning, I don't know how. You and me just know how it feels when we're falling in love. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Something that fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say.
Naghaharap kami na makakainan.
Ito, galing kayo, di ba?
Sobrang init.
Uy, galing tayo dito kanina.
Yeah.
Yan. Init.
Sobrang init ngayon sa Boracay.
Guys. Against the light. Ma'am.
Oh.
Saan punta?
Naghanap na makakainan dito, Station 3. Sobrang init. Grabe, pero konti ng tao. Nag-pull up. Okay.
May mat?
Oh, yung tuloy.
I saw him, but it doesn't compare. I sure dreamed that it was you, not in the that was good.
Ay, food review. Maalat. Pork binagoongan na hindi ko kilala.
Ito yung pork binagoong.
Pork teriyaki na may binagoong.
Ikaw.
Beef pares.
Ano sabi mo?
Ano masasabi mo sa beef pares? Pares.
Hindi siya masarap. Pakita mo.
Hindi daw masarap, guys. Pero simot. Yung akin na laking. Maalat pero masarap. Masarap?
Alat din.
Ha? Alat king daw, sabi niya. So,
Grabe. Grabe daw.
binagoongan yarn. Masarap sana yung food. Kaso maalat. Kaya. Kasi yung binagoongan, nasa siyang teriyaki na may bagoong.
We've been talking everything now, yeah. You've been calling for the night out. Let go of competition, only complications, right? Yeah, so we ain't gotta tell your girl now. You can meet me on our way out. We're making plans for the future. Better let her know that she don't suit ya. 'Cause I've been thinking about you. I've been thinking about you.
Ano gusto mo?
Magpapabreak.
Papahena dito. Dito. Papahena yung tattoo. Ay, tattoo mo. Dibdib mo.
Hindi, discount mo. 150 na lang.
Libre mo na rin to.
Libre retouch lahat, ma'am.
Pati henna, libre.
Warranty, ano namin, 1 year warranty.
1 year.
Parang siya sinasot.
Tingnan, bukyan ka siya.
Iba pa mga kapatay.
Ay,
Asan ang bag na? Asan si Arna? Hindi ako.
Sabi niya?
Sa taas.
Sa taas daw.
Ang hassle. Paano ka pagbabalo? Hindi pa pagbabalo kasi. Akit ka pagbabalo.
Pagbukas ka muna sa baba.
In every walk I would take, got my heart dropping your step. Dear to myself to talk with you, babe. But I don't have the guts to do it. I don't wanna waste my time. The sun is going down, my head is racing out. I just wanna do one thing, and I gotta have you.
hi guys.
Ganito lang naman yan. Sa Barakan. Naambay sa ang mga tamad sa tayo.
Mga tamad sa tao na ito.
Nauna ka na kami. Iwan sa... Halika na, mauna na tayo. Magbilis pa rin sila.
Oo, ano? That's tayo doon.
Oo, ako ba yung akin yung gamitin ko?
Eh, ako na.
Hindi, ako ko po. Hey, tali mo muna. Uy, gawin. Yung mga bulate sa tiyan.
Tinapay.
Di-dinner na kami. Dinner na kami ngayon dito. Hi! Walking nighttime in Boracay Station 3.
There's the sea. Find me. You know I know.
Cruising on